Okay, it's Monday, October 3rd. This is a SPY pre-opening video, and today we're going to start a brand new day, week, month, and quarter. So wherever the price opens, officially opens here at 8:30, that's going to be kind of a key level in terms of the open. For each of those time frames, and we'll see if we stay above or below that to keep it green or red as these new time frames all begin at the same time. So anyway, we obviously are rallying a little bit into the open here. You know, we closed really at the lows on Friday, so now we're rallying up. It creates this range with the blue lines. The blue lines here kind of align with the midpoint of yesterday and the low of yesterday. So again, as always, if we get a green bar to start above this pre-market high, which it looks like, you know, that's what's developing. Then we have to see if we kind of follow through on the first 15-minute bar green up here and work towards yesterday's high. Now, the key here, the green line I have in place, that kind of represents somewhat the midpoint of the prior week. So if we can get up there and form a 2-up day today, then that possibly starts the weekly chart targeting its weekly high, and then maybe some kind of a rally going on. So obviously we're opening up with like the Dow futures up 300 points. We'll see if a rally continues. Obviously, well, not obviously, but I mean, at this point, we're at the midpoint this prior day. So if we fail right up here to get some kind of a 15-minute opening and we head down, then maybe we'll start to see if we could work towards the bottom end of that range. And the expectations, as I discussed, were kind of to follow through lower on this daily chart because it's a big red bar, follow through on the weekly chart lower because it's green, and follow through on the monthly chart, you know, to the downside because they're all red. So this up opening might be presenting an opportunity, you know, just to get short. But whatever it is, we're going to have this opening level. That's going to be a key marker. We'll show you that as the day and week and month goes on, as to whether we're green or red for continuity purposes. You know, if we start up immediately green just for a few minutes here, we might be green on all the, you know, continuity. And we'll just have to see how that 15-minute bar starts the day, and if we get follow through, and if we work towards getting a 2-up day on the daily chart, which would then kind of trigger the weekly chart kind of heading up here. But if we kind of fail in this area, then more in line with the downside that we're expecting. At some point, there should be follow through to the downside on all these time frames. So let's see if this up opening gives us an opportunity with some failures to get above this pre-market high here to then start lower on the day. You know, we'll just have to see. It's tricky because it looks strong at the open, but we're just going to have to kind of watch 15-minute price action relative to these two lines right here to start, and then kind of you know, again, know the expectations for all these different time frames. So we'll see how it opens here in about 20 minutes.